Hi everyone. In this lecture, let's discuss about vitamin A. Vitamin A is a fat-soluble vitamin. Of course, it is soluble only in fat, and it is also soluble in organic solvents such as benzene chloroform and other organic solvents such as petroleum ether. And this vitamin can be taken only through diet, as all the vitamins, including vitamin A, cannot be synthesized by our body, so we can take it only through diet. So what will happen? What is the necessary for taking this vitamin A? Why we need vitamin A is because we all know from childhood we have been told that if we take carrot or if we eat curry leaves, then our eye vision will be clear. So yes, that is really true, because if the vitamin deficiency may lead to various vision problems such as nyctalopia and keratomalacia. Nyctalopia is nothing but night blindness. So the patients who are having nyctalopia cannot see through dim light. Initially, it will start as a blurry vision. Then, if it continues, if the patient is not at all noticing their vision blurry, and they keep on ignoring vitamin A rich foods, then it may eventually lead to blindness. So, nyctalopia is one of the deficiency disorder, major deficiency disorder that can happen because of vitamin A deficiency. Then second one is keratomalacia. So keratomalacia is nothing but your cornea, that is the white part of the eye, that will become dry from time to time. So if we all know that eyeballs need some friction, that is why we have lacrimal fluid secreted in our lacrimal gland. So as we move our rotate our eyeball when seeing through different directions, we need some lacrimal secretion. So if not, then the cornea will become dry and the eye will become itchy, and it will produce some red white dot spots. And for some people, their lacrimal fluid can become thick secretion like morning wastages. So in order to prevent these vision problems, we have to take vitamin A in our food. And how much amount we take, we should take. That is what we call as recommended dietary allowances. So it is the recommending unit that we need to take in our food in order to maintain our vision. So the recommended dietary allowance of vitamin A is 6 to 12 microgram. Okay, so 6 to 12 microgram, in the sense we can intake any one of the vitamin A foods from time to time. As we all know, the vitamin A is rich in fruits, vegetables, and also in animal sources. It is everywhere. So we have to pick the right sources and include it in our diet. So what is the chemical nature of this vitamin A? It consists of actually, it has three natures. One is retinol, that is hydroxy form of vitamin A, and retinal, that is aldehyde form of vitamin A, and retinoic acid, that is carboxylic acid form of vitamin A. And these three sources are mainly present in animal sources. And we have another chemical nature of vitamin A, that is beta carotene, and this beta carotene is rich in all the colorful fruits and vegetables, that is plant sources. Okay. Then beta carotene is rich in plant sources. So this is the chemical nature of vitamin A. So it's coenzyme form. Coenzyme form is nothing but we have various metabolisms that is happening inside our body, and in that process we need some enzymes and coenzymes to catalyze those reactions. So we need something to speed up the reaction, something to connect those reactions inside our body. And vitamin A is one of the important coenzyme that is necessary for the vision. Um, so its a coenzyme form is actually retinoic acid, the retinol that can be first initially oxidized to retinane, that is its aldehyde form, and then finally to retinoic acid. Okay, so this is the coenzyme form of vitamin A. And as I said earlier, the normal biochemical functions of vitamin A is to maintain the vision. If we intake vitamin A in its right quantities, we can prevent all the eye infections, then night blindness, and also keratomalacia.